Finally, we're able to crop and zoom parts of our videos in Instagram Reels. So you don't have to zoom in on the entire video. You can just select the section that you want to crop or zoom in, and then you can zoom into that part. I'm going to show you the trick in this video. Hi, I'm Ida, a corporate storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level? But when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. Now, you can finally edit by zooming in or cropping certain parts of your reel. So let me show you. So let's say we have this video. It's a nice video of a totem pole. And say we want to just zoom in for a nice effect, just to vary up the shot a little bit. So I'm first going to add the entire clip. I'm going to press next. And now I need to go to the editor. So go to edit video. And I need to make a cut, because if I zoom into this entire clip, it's going to zoom in for the entire clip. But if I just want to zoom in for half the clip, I just got to make that clip into 2 clips. And you can do that with that split button. There we go. And so once I split the clips, then I can select the clip I want to crop. So you can see the one that is selected is going to have the yellow on the outside of it. Then I just press crop, which is, if you don't see it when you're over here, you just got to scroll over. It's here at the bottom, crop. And now it allows me to crop this. So I can pinch my fingers and zoom into the shot. So I can play that through. It's going to go wide. And then it's going to crop in for me. So you can crop any portions of the video that you want, as long as you make it into a separate clip. So say if I just want to crop the middle and I don't want the end to be cropped, I want it to go back. So I'm just going to click on that clip again. I'm going to add another split, and I've already cropped this. So if I want to reset it, I just click on that, make sure it's yellow, click crop, press reset, and it's going to go back to the original. It also allows you to move it. So if you just want that video to be in a portion of your video, or if you want to zoom out for a portion of it, it is going to allow you to do that as well, this is something that we weren't allowed to do previously. So reset that, press done, and then you can see it goes from 1 cropped to wide. There you go. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.